If you've been taking notes or illustrating with the Apple Pencil on a matte screen protector in 6 months to a year, you're gonna need a replacement tip. In this video, we're gonna talk about how to replace the Apple Pencil tip. Tony here, we talk art and design tech. Subscribe for more. Watch this video till the end to find out 5 signs it's time to change your Apple Pencil tip. If you have the previous Apple Pencil 1, they were packaged with a replacement tip. However, the Apple Pencil version 2 does not have a replacement tip. In fact, on the official Apple website, it states the replacement tips for the Apple Pencil 1 are the exact same as the Apple Pencil 2. So, if you have the previous Apple Pencil replacement tip, you can use that to replace your Apple Pencil tip. If that's you, problem solved. They work exactly the same. I found a 4-pack of replacement tips on Amazon for $19.99. Since replacement tips wear down about 6 months to a year, this pack should last about 2 years. A similar 4-pack can be found on the official Apple Store at apple.com. I had to use the search bar to find it, so try that if you have trouble finding it on their Apple Store. Let's get into it, how to replace the Apple Pencil tips. With my Apple Pencil, this is the 2nd generation Apple Pencil, so like I said before, they do not have any replacement tips. The 1st generation does, and if you have that one, you can replace it, but this one is very damaged. You can see the metal coming through it, and that was because of a matte screen protector, which is common to use for artwork. I loved the screen protector as far as creating artwork, but my pencil suffered quite a bit. So I'm going to replace the tip. I'm just gonna simply unscrew it, and you can do the same, follow along, feel free, and you can see within it, this is the piece that creates the pressure sensitivity when you're using this for gesture control and drawing on your iPad. I'm gonna show you what the tip looked like. There it is. It's pretty worn, like I said, but I could put a silicone cover on top of this and use this in the future. It didn't have any malfunctions. Now, this is the box of the 4-pack that I mentioned. That is $20 on the Apple Store as well as Amazon. So when you open it up, you're gonna see 4 tips in there packaged nicely together, as well as a manual, which Apple is known for. These manuals, I don't know who reads these, but they're there. They're always there. And it's pretty simple packaging. So when you turn it over, all you have to do is pull this plastic slip at the back and it reveals the tip. That's all the packaging that they have, and there you go. So I want to show you this a little bit. You can see it's brand new, and these are legit. I bought these on Amazon. They have an Apple Store on Amazon, and these feel exactly like the original one that I had previously that I took off. So what you want to do is just screw it on. I mean, it's very simple. You just put it in place and then you screw it down and you are good to go. So that is how you replace your Apple Pencil tip. Like I said before, 6 months to a year and you're good to go. There are cheaper alternative Apple Pencil tips on Amazon as well, but I can't vouch for the quality, so purchase them at your own risk. If you have to buy an alternative Apple Pencil tip, let me know the quality down below in the comments. Let's talk about those 5 signs when you know it's time to change that Apple Pencil tip. You'll notice this especially if you're using the matte screen protector. When drawing or writing, you'll start to feel friction or dragging when using the Apple Pencil, opposed from a more natural, smooth feeling new out of the box. If you use programs like Procreate, the Apple Pencil will start to glitch, causing the brushes to fracture when drawing. You'll notice this especially with smooth brushes in Procreate. They'll start to break throughout the stroke, not allowing you to have a solid stroke. And if you're doing note-taking or creating artwork, design work, it's gonna completely sabotage everything. Sign number 3, you'll start to notice the Apple Pencil not registering when you tap it on the screen of the iPad. So you may notice a delay and you have to tap the screen multiple times for the Apple Pencil to connect to your iPad when you're trying to draw. Sign number 4, rubbing your finger across the surface of your Apple Pencil is a really good way to tell if it's wearing down. If it's rough to the touch, generally it's pretty smooth out of the box, so that shows a lot of wear and tear, especially at the 6-month mark. You'll start to feel that wearing down on the tip based on how often you use it, of course. Sign number 5, if you see streaks in your screen protector, this is always a good indication that your Apple Pencil is wearing down. Bonus tip number 6, it also wouldn't hurt to take a look at the end of the Apple Pencil tip, because in my case, I could see the metal within the Apple Pencil tip coming through after using the Paperlike screen protector. Watch this video next to see if using the Apple Pencil on the bare glass surface or a matte screen protector works better for your artwork.